Make a great choice today with the 2019 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, dual moonroof, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.